Hey guys, hope you are doing well today, even if the market is in red. But we used to that some days is pumping, some days is dumping, and now we have a dump day. So almost all the markets are down, and we have the China FUD again. And I will just show you evidence that why this China FUD is fake and why you don't have to worry about this all these FUDs just going around to shake out all the bitcoins from the newbies from the 1 2 weeks or 1 month old bitcoins and other cryptos from the newbies hands. So I'm Mike Denkler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi, gems every day. So please smash the like, push the bell, notification all, and subscribe to the channel. And now I'm sharing my screen, and let's get into our favorite bubble chart. Smash the like. Cool. Thank you. So we are in red. So this is the red ocean that you see here, almost 5, 10, or even 20% down. Just few coins like Tezos, Ren, Luna, and Waves are in green. So good for them and good for if you're holding one of them. What are the next 100 patches doing? So almost the same. And yesterday I warned that this INO that pumped really huge, but I think this is a kind of a little sherry coin because there is no real market cap for that. So if I'm coming to the coin market cap and then I'm checking here this INO coin, that you will see that there is no circulating supply, no market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume is just 4,000 US dollar. And I think that this is just for a kind of pump and dump scheme going on. So we be very careful with this because yesterday it was in the top 100, but I don't know why. So crypto bubbles, please correct it because we don't need these shit coins here on the main chart. But if I'm rolling back, wide NFT project is up and centrifuge doing great, but most of the others are correcting. And Bitcoin is down 5.5% and Ethereum almost 8%. So Binance coin and all other major coins are down. Let's check the crypto fear and greed index. I think because it's a lagging indicator. Maybe it is 33. It is 33, but still in fear zone. Yesterday and day before yesterday, that was 21, and it will be updated in 3 hours. So I think that it will go back to the extreme fear. But as this is a lagging indicator and things changing hour to hour in crypto, so that is why you should be really updated with this crypto news. And as you know, we were in the extreme fear more than 3 months, and now back to the grid zone and and fall back to the what's this? Yes, back to the fear levels. So let's get and check, analyzes this China FUD, what's going around. So, and guys, you should see this, that we have these news outlets that some picking up something because maybe some whales order something or just maybe give them an instruction or order an article, and then all the others will just announce the same and just spreading out all in the news outlets. So on CNBC, Bitcoin and Ether slide as China intensifies crackdown on cryptocurrencies. The price of Bitcoin nearly 6% down according to Coinmetrics. Ether, the second largest digital currency, dropped 8%. The decline came after the People's Bank of China said all crypto-related activities are illegal. are illegal. And he is this man. I don't like this man. I don't think that he's a normal guy. Just watch a video from here. But most of the US mainstream people following him and taking his financial advice. Even if Bernstein, he encouraged people to not to sell and not to pull out money from Bernstein. And a week ago, a week later, Bernstein went bankruptcy. Okay, so this is all the FUD. So if you are just, if you don't know what's happening out there, if you just checking this, that you will be shocked, and you are just, where is the exit? Where is the exit? I want to sell my Bitcoin. China, 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 ban Bitcoin. Then I don't need this. I don't need this. China ban this. I don't need this. So this is how an average Joe react for this, but not you, because you are here and you are educating yourself. From Bloomberg, cryptocurrencies, China widens ban on crypto transactions, Bitcoin tumbles. China's central bank says crypto transactions are illegal. Officials want to root out illegal mining of digital assets. So yes, there are some restrictions in China, but nothing as serious and nothing as new. And look at this. If you are looking onto this chart and you bought Bitcoin in the a week ago, then oh my God, I want to get out. I want to get out. So don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. And also, quote, the Chinese regulators have always been extreme in their views, and these comments are not new. Okay. So, and then, okay, that was this published on Bloomberg. And Trust Notes came out. Bloomberg publishes fake news on Bitcoin as China prints 100 billion US dollars. Okay, China printed this new fresh printed money because just rescue Evergrande. People Bank of China says all crypto-related transactions are illegal. So that was posted by Bloomberg earlier. Bloomberg, the anti-Bitcoin publisher of the pre-internet age, has sent out outright fake breaking news that sent Bitcoin's price down to 2,000 from 15 to 13. As can be seen above, Bloomberg said, without linking a source, the Chinese central bank says all crypto-related transactions are illegal. That's false. What Chinese central bank said is just a reiteration of what they said in 2017, published on September 15th, People Bank of China stated. Virtual currency-related business activities are illegal financial activities. Carrying out legal currency and virtual currency exchange business between virtual currencies, buying and selling virtual currencies as a central counterparty, providing information, intermediary. Okay. Suspected of illegal sale of tokens and tickets, unauthorized public issuance of securities, illegal operation of future business, illegal fundraising, and other illegal financial activities are strictly prohibited and resolutely banned in accordance with the law. Those who carry out related illegal financial activities constitute crime shall be investigated. Okay, so this has been their position for 5 years and nothing has changed. Expect, they say, people in China that aid overseas companies that provide crypto services to the Chinese may be investigated again. What do you expect? So, guys, nothing new, just the reiteration of the former ban. So, nothing new, but doing a panic like People Bank of China says, "Oh, crypto-related transactions are legal," and posting it like it were a new, but not. Next, China's FUD drags down Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies yet again. Asian Dragon has reiterated its tough stance on cryptocurrencies yet again, declaring all crypto-related activities are illegal. In the process, the crypto market has ended up in the red after barely managing to recover from the fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD. So this is the FUD caused by the Evergrande. So just Bitcoin and crypto market just came out from this Evergrande dump, and now another Chinese FUD coming to dump further. So this is what Wes doing, and this is what Wes wanting to happen, because then they can purchase Bitcoins and other cryptos from people that they are scared, and they are selling their holdings. Bitcoin is down by more than 5% amid the market reaction, and even Avalanche could not evade the dip. Okay, huge drop again. So this is what happened. Even just recovered and happening going down further. Chinese central bank declares all cryptocurrency-related activity to be illegal. So also these news outlets is doing the same, like other doing. Let's check. Yeah, we have some clarification here. Old FUD, new BTC price dip. Weeks old Chinese crypto ban sparks Bitcoin price drop to 42,000 US dollars. Old news suddenly gets picked up on social media, sparking an instant crypto price crash. So guys, that was a FUD because this news. And why picking up this news again? Why? Because they want you and the weak hands to sell their cryptos, but not you. Sorry for that, not you. You are exception. Nonetheless, what has now become a classic source of BTC price pressure, FUD over Chinese bans, was quick to take its toll on market sentiment. And you see, we have Molly posting People Bank of China's announcement about bank crypto got widespread today. It was announced on September 15th, but got posted online today. The market already reacted to on those regulatory FUD. The market already heard the rumors around mid-September and reacted on those FUD then. Don't fall for the FUD again. Don't fall for the FUD again. Altcoins suffer with Ether under 3,000, so Ethereum went below 3,000. It was about 3,100 and it also 3,150 and dropped back to almost 27,000. So this is how FUD is shaking out your crypto holdings if you have weak hands, but if you have a diamond hands, that nobody can take your Bitcoin from you. So this is from George from Cryptosaurus. Shout out George. Did China conveniently ban crypto again on options expiration day? So today we have an option expiration day. Sorry for that. Also we have some things. Anthony Pompliano, China has banned Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies so many times that I have lost count. We will check out it on my Twitter. Okay, so People Bank of China released the summary of Chinese cryptocurrency ban. It reiterates the fact that crypto trading and the use of crypto as a unit of exchange is illegal in the country. The latest China Fed actually passed on September 15, but people waited to release their summary on the last day of September expiration. So I think maybe the Chinese central bank is speculating with the options, and that is why they are flooding the market. This is the fact that the release is mostly summary with slight revision. It didn't stop FUD headlines from flooding the timeline. Apparently, this latest round of FUD also extends to mining. However, the People Bank of China press release didn't include anything to miner on Bitcoin miners. The news comes on the same day as Chinese real estate company Evergrande reportedly missed their interest payment. They missed or not missed? Okay. Cool. So this is how manipulation is going on. But why the China ban is good for Bitcoin? The China ban of Bitcoin shows that currency is delivering on its promises to enable freedom, something communism doesn't appreciate. So this is the true. The communism is still there in China, and even if they are developing and huge amount of wealth is created there. Communism is there, so there is no people rights and there is no freedom if they are not allowing you holding Bitcoin. Okay, so China has been trying to ban Bitcoin for years. The first time the Chinese government sought to prohibit the usage of Bitcoin in the country took place in 2013, only a few years after Bitcoin was born. Since then, the BTC price in US dollar has capitulated. And the Chinese Communist Party hasn't understood it yet, but Bitcoin cannot be banned. So let's check this. Banning Bitcoin pioneers dilemma. So actually Bitcoin cannot be banned. If you are prohibiting, if you are banning, that people will go after and people will like it more and people will wanting it more if somebody is banning something. And also we know that China wants to push their national digital currency, the national renminbi, and they don't want people to deal with other cryptos because then they would feel something to touch freedom. Bitcoin allows people to store and transact sound money with anyone, anywhere, at any time. Ultimately, Bitcoin enables individual freedom, something communism is far from being fond of. The news that China has banned Bitcoin shouldn't and won't harm the currency the same way the similar bans to Facebook or Google didn't harm them. If anything, it strengthens it. If Bitcoin weren't suitable to be used as a currency, either as a store of value or a medium of exchange, the government wouldn't be going through the trouble to ban it. The fact that China has been taking such severe measure to try and stop Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining showcase how powerful this technology is and how scared that Chinese Communist parties is of its potential. Bitcoin is a tool to fight oppression and its being so represent a threat to all governments that seek a high level of control over their citizens. The open source technology has the potential to dismantle monetary colonialism, unfair policies, and restore world peace. By empowering people to reclaim their rights and freedom, Bitcoin is the worst nightmare of all totalitarian governments. It's no surprise that China has been trying to ban it for so long, but too bad for them. It won't be this time that they will succeed. Bitcoin will live on. So that's definitely true. Let's go and check my Twitter. I share a few posts about these ongoing fake China FUD. Just make it clear. This is my opinion. And this is not a financial advice. This is not an investment advice. This is just for education purposes only. Okay, so Pomp posted, China bans banks from handling Bitcoin. Bitcoin drops 500 US after more reports China will ban crypto. So all the news that China banning Bitcoin, you see in 2017, the timeline, or I don't know in which year, that China bans Bitcoin in every 2 months. Also, we see China bans banks from handling Bitcoin. China bans this, and this is the China banning Bitcoin crypto, the ban date, the Bitcoin price, and the move since then. So even China banned Bitcoin several times, the price moved from them. And this is what's happened in May, and the price moved 15% since then, annualized 51%. So looks like China is banning all crypto transactions again. If you did nothing since 2013 but buy BTC the day China banned it, you would be doing just fine. Yeah, definitely you would be doing just fine. And here is from Molly. If you saw any Chinese regulatory FUD again, the announcement was posted on September 3rd. Don't fall for it. And this is the China Bitcoin FUD that we are here, and every year we have the same happening. Okay, but this is an interesting chart from chart BTC. If Bitcoin isn't about $105 on December 16th, it will be a record low 4-year multiply, breaking the current low of 5.4 on September 2017. So he's explaining that following these similarities, that Bitcoin 4 years multiply should be at least 105 if we are following this. Okay, guys. Yes. So China is here. Okay. So let's go and check other news. That's that's enough for now. So hope you understand that nothing serious going around. Don't sell your crypto because FUD, and use your diamond hands. So Twitter launches crypto tipping for all users. Bitcoin tips are available to send through the Lightning Network using the Strike app or by adding a BTC address directly to one's profile. Social media giant Twitter will be enabling cryptocurrency options to its tipping jar, allowing any users to pay through the platform. On a Thursday blog post, Twitter staff product manager Esther Crawford said the crypto tips feature would be available for all iOS users globally, and the platform plans to roll out options for Android in the coming weeks. The crypto option will allow users to link third-party apps, including Cash App, Patreon, Venmo, Chipper, Bandcamp, Razorpay, GoFundMe, PicPay, and Simple Cash. Cool. We want everyone on Twitter to have access to pathways to get paid, digital currencies that encourage more people to participate in the economy and help people send each other money across borders and with as little friction as possible. So this is a huge news, and this is for BTC and using Lightning Network and Strike app. Okay, cool. That's amazing. Let's go back to Twitter and let's watch this. So let's check if I share the sound as well. So let's go back to this and
yo, we're here in Chicago, and we've got David here in a Starbucks in El Salvador. David has his Strike account linked to his Twitter account, and we're gonna make a free, instant cash final remittance payment through Twitter. So I'm gonna go search David's Twitter account on my phone. I'm gonna find his tips button, and I'm gonna send David $10 over Twitter for changing the world. It's gonna open my non-custodial Lightning Moon wallet. Anyone in the world can download, and I'm just gonna hit send. And boom. You just made an instant free remittance payment from Chicago, Illinois, USA to San Salvador, El Salvador over Twitter. Why would anyone ever use Western Union again? When you take one of the world's largest social internet networks and you combine it with the world's best open monetary network, Twitter accidentally becomes one of the best remitting experiences in the world. This one singular payment standard and this one singular open monetary global monetary network is dematerializing all existing monetary networks. Western Union, on to E4. Your move.
so guys, hope you understand why it's so important, and this is really towards helping adoption, and also that will be not just the Bitcoin Lightning Network payment, but also there will be some identification that you can prove your NFTs, so that will be avoided that everybody just putting the profile picture there, but you will be able to prove and show that it's proof because you are owning this. So it's a kind of NFT ownership proof that also will come on Twitter. And then also we have these headlines about this from Jack Mallers. So definitely Jack Mallers here So definitely check out my Twitter and watch this if you like this. Cool. So congratulations to Twitter, to Jack, and let's go forward. Bitcoin and Ethereum looking strong as institutional crypto activity hits critical mass, Mike Novogratz says. Quote, we had 40,000 in BTC and 2,800 in ETH. These are important levels for people to watch. As long as those hold, the market is in very good shape. I have seen nothing but engagement and activity from our investing and corporate clients. The level of inquiry, the level of business has never been higher. We see so much capital coming into the space in private ways and in public ways. I'm not nervous. The China news scared people as well as worry about the Fed coming out and talking about stablecoins and regulation. There were rumors yesterday all over the Mainnet 2021 conference in New York that the SEC was showing up and subpoenaing people. I don't even understand this word. So there was a lot of nervousness in the market, and we watched a lot of shorter term risk out. There was a tremendous amount of activity around level 1 blockchains, things like Ethereum, where people realize the story is not just Bitcoin, but it really is Web 3.0. Missing the Web 3.0 would like missing the internet. And so we have seen lots of money pile in. So guys, everything what is going on in crypto, especially with layer ones, with layer twos, with DeFi and NFTs, this is the internet. This is the new level of the internet. So you are in the best time at the best place. Analyst who called crypto crash updates Bitcoin and Ethereum outlook, predicts one altcoin likely to bounce hard. So let's see which altcoin will be that bouncing hard. So I do think we have just hit a major correction low and we are probably already bottomed here, and I do think we will probably get an all-time high. Yeah, me too. So he's using Elliott waves, a five-way bullish pattern from the Elliott waves theory, and after topping out just under 4,000 and completing the five-way impulse, contractor currently predicted Ethereum's retrace to roughly 2,700. Since the pullback, ETH has steadily recovered, trading at 3,150, but now at 2,900. Again, I'm expecting a new short of impulsive move similar to this five-wave rise to new all-time highs from here. So he's expecting new wave for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I dare say, similar with Ethereum, we are probably going to go a little bit higher, and then we will have a nice little ABC correction. And then I do think from there, if this is an ABC complete, exactly all same deal again, I dare say we are going to be starting a new impulse to all-time highs. Okay, and what about Solana? When BTC and ETH bottom, I think Solana will rebound the hardest and hit all-time high the fastest, starting to stack spot at these levels. I will average down if need be. No actionable setup, just yet more of a knife catch hunch. So he's mentioning that he is just he's just piling in stack spots. So this is stacking spots, buying the dips even in Solana. Our last news for today. El Salvador's new Bitcoin plan could cost money providers like Western Union and others 400 million a year, says President Bukele. In 2020, El Salvador received nearly 6 billion US dollar in remittances, which accounted for about 23% of its gross domestic product. This is insane huge. President Nayib Bukele estimates that money services providers like Western Union and MoneyGram will lose $400 million a year in commissions for remittances thanks to the country's Bitcoin adoption. Some 70% of the Salvadorian population receives remittance payments. So this is huge. So this means that El Salvador citizens will be um, more richer with this 400 million US dollars, because it will be not paid to Western Union MoneyGram, but they will keep this for themselves, because Bitcoin transactions are much cheaper, faster, and with this Lightning Network and Twitter launch, that they will save this. Okay, so that's huge, and also as we see, just this is growing, that the remittance what is transferred to El Salvador Chivo wallet. Also, Strike developed the Chivo wallet, if I'm right, and Strike is the Jack Mallers company. So Bitcoin is accepted here, and why you would send money with these old money rails like Western Union and MoneyGram. So times changing, and Bitcoin fixes this. So cool, guys. Let's check some charts and see what's happening here. Yes, that was this huge drop. So Bitcoin went up before the China FUD news to 45,000 US dollar, then fall back and reached 40,700, and now corrected a little bit, and now we are at 22,400. So this is huge. I think this is a kind of triangle, symmetrical triangle, but as it was a drop, then maybe we'll drop further. But as you remember, yesterday we just put a resistance line here and just analyzed what Bitcoin can do. We have two resistance lines, one here and one here, and Bitcoin started to test this, but failed to break this resistance line, this trend line, and now we are getting back. So we'll see if Bitcoin will able to break it. Yeah, hope that it will able to break. So what Bitcoin dominance is doing? Yeah, side waving a little bit up, because when these huge dumps happen, then Bitcoin altcoins are falling much harder than Bitcoin. So as you see, you can go out and buy some cheap altcoins, cake under 18, 19 US dollar. Also DOT just corrected to 30 US dollars. So I think everything looks really cheap, especially DOT, Kusama, and also ADA. And ADA, don't forget, the ADA, the Cardano Summit will starting tomorrow, and I think we will see lots of Cardano related news. I shared the link here in my yesterday video. Check out, sign up, and also Cardano ADA seems to me that breaking the trend line and consolidating here. So that was a retest. So I think after this retest, EDA can start its rally, and also we will see lots of news. AVX is also consolidating in our channel. That was a good to take some profit off the table. And what else do we have? Koti is forming a kind of cup and holder, and now broke up and now consolidating. And yeah, so we see Aaron also corrected after this move. So I think if Aaron is coming down, that it's a good buying opportunity. But nothing is a financial advice, just for education purposes. Yeah, Solana is looking interesting. So maybe it will fall further from here. Interesting. See this pattern. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I think that's all. Maybe check out Arvi, because Arvi also correcting, and R wave is going up here and supported by this trend line. And I think if touching this trend line or going below, that is a good buying opportunity, but also you can use stop loss if you want. So this is for today. Don't let your bitcoins and cryptos taken from you because this FUD. So be a diamond hand guy and don't sell your cryptos. Don't panic sell. And also, if you have some cash, stable coins in the side at the sideline, then I think all these red days with huge drops are good buying opportunities. But this is just my opinion. We at CorionX also working on some partnerships that hopefully next year will release one of them. So that's it for today. Thank you for smashing the like, push the bell, notification all, subscribe to the channel, and thank you. Let's see you tomorrow.